Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic April Beauty Box. So before I get started with the unboxing, if you are brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and if you like and enjoy this video, remember to give it the big thumbs up. Okay, so this is what the beauty box looks like this month. So it's a nice kind of pastel orangey colour. We still get the beauty mag with Look Fantastic, which tells us all about the products that are inside the box and some other beauty info as well. I'll quickly show you the sneak peek for next month, and it looks really good. I'm excited about this. This is the Rituals of Karma Body Shimmer Oil. So that's what we get next month. I'm really looking forward to trying that out. I think that'll be like a really good product for this summertime. So it has like little tiny shimmering mineral particles in it, which reflects the light and adds a stunning shine. So yeah, I'm excited to give that a go. Okay, the first thing we get inside the box this month is the Molten Brown Heavenly Ginger Lily bath and shower gel. So I love these. This one's lovely. I've had it before and it smells beautiful. Like, it's like really nice and floral and very fresh and uplifting. Yeah, has a real beautiful kind of floral scent to it. That is the first thing that we get inside this month's box, and this is like a little mini of this, not a mini, but it's like a deluxe size. The next thing we get inside the box I'm really excited to try out, because I was reading an article just a couple of days ago there, because I was looking up the best kind of moisturisers and toners and things like that to help with dry skin, because I have like little dry areas just on my forehead right there. So when I was looking at the toners, there was one that really stood out to me, and it's from Elemis. It was the Soothing Apricot Toner, and that's it right there. So we get this in this month's box, and this is one of the ones that I seen in the article, and like I have a lot of Elemis products, but I don't have this specifically, and this says it was really good for kind of like dry skin and making your skin look really nice and glowy. It says this calming facial toner helps to soothe and harmonise the skin. So yeah, I did see that it said in the article that this was quite good to help, you know, with dry skin, to help moisturise it and also make it look glowier. So yeah, I'm very excited to give this a go. I gave it a little smell earlier, and it smells quite nice. It just smells fruity, you know, so it has that apricot in it there. So yeah, very excited to give this a go. And it's so funny because it was just the other day I was looking up, you know, things for dry skin, and I seen this, and now I have it today, so I'm really happy about that. Okay, the next thing we get inside this month's box is this from Avent. I think this was the sneak peek for this month. It's their Hyaluronic Replenishing Lip Balm. I tried this a bit earlier and it felt like it had like little gritty bits in it, but now that I'm rubbing it in my fingers here, it doesn't feel like it has gritty bits in it. Like, no, maybe my lips were just super dry or something, I don't know, but yeah, it's different from the other lip balm that I have from Avent, the rose one. That's just like a kind of clear gel. It looks like a jelly formula. This one's more of a cream. It's a little bit thicker as well. It smells really nice though. It has a really nice scent to it. I like the scent of this one. So it says, for satin smooth hydrated lips, this soothing balm aims to leave lips irresistibly soft. It combines the perfect formula of hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Hyaluronic acid aims to penetrate deeply into your lips to hydrate and instantly help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. Okay, and this is a 10 ml. The next thing we get inside this month's box is another Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster. I know we get a lot of Philip Kingsley products, and I feel like this is something that I already have, but I'll be real with you, I haven't tried it. Like, the only product really that I use a lot from Philip Kingsley and I've tried recently is actually on my table here, because I used it before I filmed this video. It's the Finishing Touch. I love this. It's kind of like a polishing serum for your hair, so it makes your hair look quite shiny. But anyway, this is what we get in this month's box. It's a unique product that delivers a rush of moisture inside the hair cuticles, and is especially beneficial for extremely damaged hair. This super moisturizing intensive treatment adds silkiness, suppleness, elasticity, bounce and strength. That's the next thing we get inside the box. You either love it, hate it or over it, because we do get it quite a lot. Okay, so the next thing that we get inside this month's box is this from Australian Body Care, This is their tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is really good for like a lot of things. You can kind of research yourself about it and see how much benefits it has. But this one here from Adrian Body Care basically says it helps to improve the appearance of your skin, and also it cleanses the skin and also the hair. And there's a little product to try out. It's 100% concentrate as well, so yeah, looking forward to giving that a go. And that is a 10 ml. And then the next thing that we get is this from Verso. This is their hydration serum with niacinamide. So what type of serum is this? This is a facial serum, I believe. So it's Reveal a Glowing Complexion with the Hydration Serum from Verso. The anti-aging moisturiser helps to strengthen the skin barrier, forming a protective layer against environmental damage and providing hydration for dry skin. Okay, so this will be good for me right now. It has niacinamide and glycerine inside it. Looking forward to testing that, and this is also a 10 ml. Okay, now that's everything inside this month's box. So there is a few things in here that I'm really excited to try and also use in this box. And the first thing is definitely the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. Like, I'm so excited about this, and I kind of believe that just the other day there I was looking up about this, and then I received it today in this box. So that is amazing. Like, yeah, I'm loving that. I really love like the Molten Brown body shower gel. I really like using these, and this one's a nice scent. And then another thing that's quite nice as well that I'm excited to use more is the Avent lip balm. So yeah, that's my 3 main favourite products in this month's box, but I would love to know what you think about this month's box. Of course, if you're interested in it, I will leave a link to down below in the description box for you, along with my discount code where you can get money off. And also there's a couple other limited editions that are still available on Look Fantastic right now, like the Beauty Egg, which was really good this year. I know a lot of you guys really loved that. I'll leave that linked below because I'm sure it's still available right now. That is it for this unboxing, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And of course, I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.